Your Honda CR-V key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Here is the CR2032 battery you'll need. First, locate the seam on the side of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Separate the remote half from the key half. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation, positive side up, and insert the new CR2032 in the same way. Snap the case back together securely. Test the remote functions immediately to ensure the battery replacement was successful. This process works for CR-V models 2015 onwards. Remember to use a non-conductive surface. If your key fob doesn't work after the battery replacement, resyncing may be required. Sit in the driver's seat with doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the car. Press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn the ignition off, then test the fob. If this doesn't work, for 2020 plus models with Honda Sensing, use the Honda Link app to repair the key via Bluetooth. If issues persist, consider that Honda recommends dealer reprogramming in 10 to 15% of cases, especially for 2021-2023 models due to potential firmware bugs.